Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Arteck HB193 Universal Bluetooth Keyboard. A sleek and durable stainless steel full-size wireless keyboard that seamlessly connects to up to 3 devices with just a single key press. Designed for comfort and efficiency, it features low-profile keys, a full number pad, and convenient shortcuts, making typing quiet and comfortable for long sessions. This keyboard is compatible with all major operating systems, including Windows, iOS, Android, and Mac OS, working flawlessly with desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. One standout feature is its rechargeable lithium battery, which lasts up to 6 months on a single charge based on typical daily use. The package includes the keyboard itself, a USB charging cable, and a welcome guide, all backed by a 24-month warranty and friendly customer support. Whether you're switching between devices or typing away for hours, the Arteck HB193 is built to enhance your productivity with style and reliability. Thank you for watching. Check the link in description to buy this product. Please like and subscribe.